Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 26th of June 2025, our system has identified Tesla as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.97. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of 4.60%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.35% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likely continuation of this rise. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 15.13% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 2.69% to 44.91%. In terms of the longer perspective, our analysis over 12 months points to a projected change of 20.25%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance may vary between -5% and 105.24% over the next year. This would translate to a future price estimated to be between $295.25 and $637.84. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline: Tesla's stock price ended at $310.78 on Tuesday, after losing 1.93%. The Tesla stock price fell by 1.93% on the last day, Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, from $316.90 to $310.78. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.44% with a day low of $310.52 and a day high of $321.20. The price has shown volatility during this period, resulting in a 2.17% loss over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume also decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator since volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 526,000 shares, totaling 77 million shares traded for approximately $23.87 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $488.54, and the lowest price was $182. Currently, the price is 36.39%, or $177.76, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tesla's stock has experienced a decline as the company faces challenges, including executive departures and increasing scrutiny over its self-driving technology. The departure of Troy Jones, who was Tesla's top sales executive in North America, comes at a time when there are concerns about falling sales and rising competition, especially from a new startup backed by Jeff Bezos that is competing for market share with lower-priced electric vehicle models. As the company approaches its earnings report next week, the atmosphere surrounding Tesla is tense. Recently, shares surged by 70% from their multi-year lows, but they have started to drop again, reflecting investor uncertainty. Analysts have adjusted their price targets. Goldman Sachs has raised its target to $315, but has kept a neutral rating. Meanwhile, Benchmark and other firms have offered more optimistic perspectives, suggesting potential growth if new models can gain traction. Despite Tesla's dominant position in the electric vehicle market, profitability pressures remain due to price competition and rising costs. The successful launch of the Cybertruck and advancements in self-driving and robotics technology will be vital in shaping Tesla's future trajectory. However, regulatory uncertainties and execution risks present significant challenges. In the short term, these negative developments could lead to further declines in stock prices as investor sentiment weakens. The long-term outlook relies on the company's ability to innovate effectively and navigate the competitive landscape. If Tesla can realize its ambitious projects, it may regain its growth momentum, but the current environment is still unstable. Investors should pay close attention, as the upcoming earnings report could either bolster confidence or lead to a more severe sell-off. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Tesla a positive rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, it was reported that William Blair assigned Tesla a market perform rating with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Tesla a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Tesla a sell rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Tesla an overweight rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Today, the stock presents mixed signals. The Tesla stock shows a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. As the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $323.20. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $305.53. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will add an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative signal. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and so far, the stock has fallen by 14.36%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 34 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 107 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 15 days ago, the long-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 34 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $295.14 and $284.95. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this case, Tesla finds support just below today's level at $295.14. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $284.95 and $284.70. This stock typically exhibits average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $10.68 between its high and low, which is a change of 3.44%. For the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 3.02%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with immense market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on July 23, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 0.4 of a dollar. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Tesla is at $326.09. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla faces its first support level at $295.14. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Taneja Vaibhav, who bought and sold 10,593 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 50.111. In total, insiders acquired 1,011,482 shares and divested 3,136,577 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla presents a number of negative indicators, and we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, our assessment of this stock is unfavorable. Upon reviewing the volatility and trading patterns from the last day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of July, we project that Tesla will open higher by approximately $3.39, beginning trading at $314.17. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.